topic is workforce and evolving work environment due to pandemic.
COVID-19 has reached pandemic proportions, leading to massive disruptions for business, societies, families, and people. As much as, the world has gone into lockdown and has come back from lockdown, and the unlocks have happened across the geographies, still anxieties are growing and people are feeling physically and psychologically vulnerable. And schools which have been closed, now they are making extra demands on working parents. And when it comes to working parents, there is an additional work for managing studies for the kids by these parents. So there is additional responsibilities which workforce are taking care of, especially the ones who are parents. A lot of companies have moved quickly to put in a flexible working arrangements. And even though the unlocks have happened, the organizations continue to be in the flexible working arrangements. And remote working could present actually a transformation in how millions of jobs can be done. And but there is a shift which is required, as most employees have to travel up to steep learning curve. If you see 5% of the people who are actually self-employed already working from home at least half of the time. These are the people who are not like corporate folks, but at least who are self-working people. And they also prefer to be in the working from home environment. In order to unleash the best in one's employees in today's crisis, I think there is a robust, resilient workforce for the future is required, and leaders must care deeply and consistently about their people, their health, their needs, their fear, and make the workforce future ready and protect them from this pandemic environment.